Hi there, minions of technology. My name is Tim Lee. Welcome to Legacy Studio. Today we're on our way to Neihart, Montana, a little place about an hour outside of town where I was hoping to do a couple things. I'll tell you more about it in just a second. So I'm finally getting to mess with something that I've wanted to do for a while, and that's some cool buildings over there. I'm gonna definitely have to find my way back to some of these areas on my way back after I get done with the paid portion of this little trip to get some proper pictures. But I think we're coming into Neihart here pretty soon, and once I get in here, then it's full focus on work. But if you are enjoying the time lapse, all I have is a GoPro 9 clipped to my visor here. It's taking a picture every 2 seconds, and it's only recording for an hour. I like having that time limit set. First, so it doesn't kill the battery, even though I am going off of a jump battery or power brick, I guess. And then second reason, because it helps me keep track of time. So, oh man, look at this. Look at this view. Look at this view. So pretty. I better put the camera down and focus here, but look at this. It's so pretty. So during this time, my wife and I were trying to make a pretty big life decision. Was I going to go full-time self-employed? The answer, yes. And now I'm contracted by a magazine where I write stories for them, among doing design and many other things. But they asked me to head out to Neihart and see if I could dig up some stories that would be worth putting in the magazine. But I was there for an alternative reason too. I was really curious if I could find some place to do a little bit of plein air. I got lucky. This building is so cool. I think I'll be able to get more off of it with the drone, but let me get some generic shots here. Let's see if I can find an angle that's maybe worthy of painting. Definitely need the drone. At one time, I totally thought that the mini drones were a waste of money. If you're going to do professional drone work, don't get a mini or whatnot. But I own one now simply because of its being underweight it just doesn't scare people as much. It doesn't really change much. You still need to follow the same laws and protocols and things like that. That are very, very important to follow, but it gives you more flexibility, just a little bit, and it's shots like this that I feel like I can get away with using the drone, mainly because it's so small and simple. It's not going to scare people or freak people out, and it also means I can get shots like this literally from the inside of my car while I still supervise it, but I can actually see it right here. So this is actually an abandoned mine just outside of Neihart, Montana. They used to do a bunch of mining for silver. This place used to be a thriving city, and at a certain point in time, it all came crashing down when the desire for silver also came crashing down. But this was too good not to paint, so got out my plein air kit, got it all unfolded, got my paints out, and time to get into creative mode. The weather was perfect. I was very, very thankful for that. And other than a nice little breeze here and there that you could hear coming through the nature around you, and it sounded like a car driving by, and then suddenly you feel a blast of wind, that was about the gist of it. It didn't get colder until a little bit later. So, I'll let you enjoy a little bit more of this as we go through some of the painting process. By the way, humongous thank you to my amazing legacy historians Tony Allen, Sean Hammond, and William Poneth for helping me make content just like this every single day. Deeply appreciate them, and deeply appreciate you. If you like it, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe down below. Keep letting me know that you appreciate this, and I'll keep making more. Thank you so much, folks. Enjoy the rest of the video. not gonna lie, I'm living my best life right now. I hope that this becomes a bit of a norm, because that would be rather exciting. I don't know if it actually will. I will find out all the realities of what I'm doing soon enough, and I'm sure they won't be perfect. But to be able to do a bit more of this in my life would be pretty nice. So we'll see. Guy can hope a little, you know? I'm not gonna lie, that temperature started dropping fast. I have no idea what time it is. 3:57. It's only 3:57, and yet, yeah, that temperature probably dropped at least 10 degrees. Sun's gone. Well, it's not gone, but it certainly is not as visible and not letting off that beautiful sunlight that I was seeing earlier.